Hello guys and girls, I hope you're doing fine and welcome back to Forex Clubhouse. Today I'm going to do analysis on the Volatility 100 index. I'm going to show you step by step on how you should do accurate analysis by using just a smartphone, and afterwards, as usual, I'm going to show you the results of this accurate analysis. If you have been struggling to make profits in Forex trading, then I suggest that you watch this very video to the very end and have both your pen and notebook ready for this tutorial. Ladies and gentlemen, the pair is Volatility 100 Index, one of the most volatile pairs that I would never suggest to trade if you are a small account holder. But please don't get me wrong, this does not mean that you can't trade Volatility 100 if you have a minimum of $100 account. You can. On starting my analysis on VIX 100 index, I'm on a daily time frame, simply because I need to know the overall bias of this market. And by looking closely at the charts, I noticed that the overall market bias is on a downtrend. And I'm sure you all know that on a downtrend market, we do nothing else but looking for sell opportunities only, and that's it. But interesting enough, by marking this zone here, that it is called the previous lower low, I'm sure you can all agree that the market did respect it, and it would have been a very perfect entry for both of us to enter and enjoy the made profits. But guess what? We missed it. So what does that mean for us? Does it mean that we should go to another pair and trade just for the sake of trading? Probably not, right? So what to do is we go for the lower time frames to look for possible entry setups on this same pair, and for this case is the 4-hour time frame. Now, before I explain further about the entry setups on this pair, please be aware that I do offer monthly signal service and a mentorship program. If you want to always be on a winning team, please do check the description below for more details. Now let's continue with today's analysis. One thing that we can notice on 4-hour time frame is that the market did proceed to go to the downside direction in series of lower lows and lower highs, giving us trend follower traders a lot of new entry opportunities. So let me mark my previous minor lower low that the market price is currently on a retesting stage. Then afterwards I go to the 1-hour time frame, which for this case will be my entry time frame to see if the sell confirmation setup have already formed or not. On 1-hour time frame, I noticed that the price has not only once but multiple times failed to break this zone by leaving these weak rejections. What does this tell us? It tells us that the sellers are still up strong and that this zone will probably hold up and not break. The last step that comes after finishing your analysis is to know what amounts of money you are willing to lose per this trade. Because my friend, know this one thing. This is not some holy grail strategy, so it is a must to define your risk before entering into the trade. Hence for the proper place to place my stop loss is here, just slightly above this weak rejection. Now, since I'm very comfortable with risking the sole amount on this trade that I'm comfortable with losing it, I then execute my trades with no emotions attached. If you want to see how this trade will play out, I suggest that you do not leave this video just yet.
This video/stream is sponsored by Trader Central. Trader Central provides funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusive for communicating with trader friends. Sign up now using the link in the description and get up to 30% off on your first plan.
Now please take your time and observe how this trade will play out and see for yourself how I manage it through until the take profit target hits. hope that you have both enjoyed this video and learned a lot from it. Now please do take this time to hit the subscribe button if you haven't done already, and the notification bell of course, to be the first to view any of my future uploads. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.